Hello my friends, today I will show you some small tricks for a spotless home. Simple, quick, yet highly effective. Today, we'll share some useful tips that will significantly simplify maintaining cleanliness in your household. Share your tips with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily inspiration. 1. Clean microwave. Pour a mixture of vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio into a microwave-safe bowl. Place the bowl in the microwave, heat it for 5 seconds. The steam from the water and vinegar will quickly loosen the dirt in the microwave. Just wipe it off with a sponge. 2. Clean refrigerator. To make cleaning refrigerator shelves easier, cover them with plastic wrap. If needed, you can quickly replace them with new ones without the hassle of cleaning leftover food residues. 3. Clean bathroom. Soak a cloth in bleach and thoroughly clean the enamel bathtub or shower tray. Apply the cloth to problem areas and let it sit overnight. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how clean these surfaces will be in the morning. 4. Clean stove grate. Make your stove grate look brand new with this trick. Place it in a plastic bag, grocery bag, trash bag, add 5 tablespoons of ammonia. Take it to the balcony/terrace to avoid inhaling ammonia fumes and let it sit for at least 12 hours overnight. In the morning, remove the grate and rinse it under running water. No residue will remain. 5. Clean carpet stains. To remove unpleasant stains from the carpet, spray window cleaner on them. Place a piece of unwanted fabric on top and iron the stain. Spread the word to your friends about us.